Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind.
So I think maybe the client thought she was just gonna post the after and not the before.
Hey YouTube, how y'all doing? So today I am doing my lovely friend Alexandria, doing her hair today. So we're gonna do a color and I'm gonna do some comb coils. I gotta go get my comb out the car because I don't have the right comb, but we're gonna do some comb coils or whatever. And I don't even know why I didn't get it out while I was at the car, but it's okay. And yeah, so y'all just stay tuned, keep watching. So trendsetters, I'm going to start off by detangling and sectioning off her hair into 4 different sections so I can deposit the color onto her hair. I'm going to start off in the back and then I'm going to work my way up all the way to the front. I will be using the color Ginger Blonde to deposit the color. She wanted a certain color, so I felt that this would be the color that she would be looking for. The color it is by Cream of Nature. So as you can see, I'm going to start off in the back, and I didn't go to the root due to the fact that when you put it on the roots first, it turns the quickest. So anytime you deposit any color, start like mid shaft, work your way down, then go back through it and go to the root so that the roots can all be one color. So after I do that, I am going to show you all how the color came out. Came out fire, of course. And then I'm going to take my comb, and I use, I think, Aunt Jackie's gel. As you can see, I'm going to show you in a minute. This is how the color came out, y'all. Came out super bomb. She absolutely loved it. And I'm going to part her off into 4 sections again, working my way from the back to the front. And it's just better to part off in 4 sections due to the fact that you have more control of what you're doing when you're going through your your comb coils. You see, I'm using the Aunt Jackie's, I think it's flaxseed gel. And then as you can see now, I'm just going to go throughout her head and take that comb and do my thing with these coils. So y'all just stay tuned for the rest of the video, and I'll talk to you all soon.
How to get my mind right? How to get my soul right? Put my soul in a fight. Please just have some patience with me. Please just have some patience with me. I'm just trying to right my wrongs. Trying to right my wrongs. Trying to right my wrongs with you. All the times that I pushed you aside, you still put up on my side, and I had no one by my side, yeah. Patience with me is all that I ask. Patience with me is all that I ask. Patience with me is all that I ask. You might not make sense, yeah. It's gonna take some time. I've been focused on the grind. Made some idols in my life. Yeah, gotta break free, oh. Patience was real dirty. Your blood was blue. I become a poet. I took a bath to her. And I thought my goodness, you can see what she says. I become a poet. I took a bath to her. I become a poet. I become a poet.
Okay, so we are done with her hair. Turn around for the people so that they can see. These are the comb coils, and yes, with the color, you know. So, how do you feel about these?
Oh, I love it. I didn't know how they would come out, but they came out perfect.
Yes, because at first she asked for like some regular 2-strand twists, but then she told me she want to get locked up. So you already know when you do the comb coils, this is like starter locks. So we're gonna see
how it goes.
How it goes. If she's gonna just transition into these locks and let it go ahead and lock up, or if she's gonna just kind of take them out. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna see y'all. We're gonna stay tuned. We're gonna keep y'all posted.
Yes. And I absolutely love the color.
If she loves the color, I'm so glad she loves the color.
Really nice.
Yes, it's not too bright, because she showed me like a bright yellow, y'all. Then she told me she wanted a red. So you know what? The yellow and the red, it make orange. We did the orange. Look how we did that. So yes, y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Talk to y'all soon.